Well, we finally got a rat, and he's finally eating it. 3 rats ago, he wouldn't eat, and they had to throw them away. This one he grabbed. I knew he was hungry because he jumped at me when I came to say hello. Eat him up, Harley. Eat him up. You know you're hungry. That's a good boy. Eat him, Harley. Eat him. You're a good boy. What is it? Sure. Shouldn't. Try it on a small spot. That's a good boy, Harley. You're doing awesome. Yeah. Here comes Taj. Hi, Taj. What are you doing? Who's a good boy? Get out of the garbage. No. Stop. Go, Harley. Go, Harley. It's going to take him at least 10 minutes to eat this freaking rat. I'll come back later. Say hi, Taj. Okay, I'll come back, Harley.